Divinetree Perlite is here to serve your plants. Perlite is a volcanic glass that is heated to 1600-degree furnace, whereupon it pops much like popcorn and expands to 13 times its former size. Depending on the purpose of the soil, between 5 to 35% perlite is added to the potting soil. In succulent soil, a higher percentage of perlite is mixed into the substrate. You just have to mix perlite evenly with potting mix to help prevent soil compaction and promote strong root development. Perlite just improves drainage and aeration in potting mixes and prevent compaction in potting soil and garden soil. Order today Divinetree Perlite.